Alright, it's video number 5 of the coordinate geometry. In this video we are going to discuss about how to find the equation of perpendicular bisector. Now bisector means that equally divided in two parts, so it refers the concept of midpoint. Alright, and for perpendicular we had studied the condition in gradient topic, that is my video number 3, in which we say that m1 multiplied by m2 equals to minus 1. So that means in order to find out the equation of perpendicular bisector, we need to find out these two things. So the question says find the equation of perpendicular bisector of point A and B. So you have a point A and B and you need to find out the equation of perpendicular bisector. Alright, so if I draw roughly the coordinates of A and B, so it's 3, 7 roughly and 5, 11. So that is a roughly line of A and B. And what is perpendicular bisector? A line that cuts in half and making the angle of 90 degree. That red line is basically your perpendicular bisector. So first thing, I will start with the midpoint. So midpoint is equals to, the working formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Alright, so x1 we have is 3, x2 we have is 5 divided by 2. Similarly, y1 is 7 and y2 is 11 divided by 2. So 3 plus 5, it's 8 divided by 2, that is 4. 7 plus 11, 18 divided by 2, that is 9. So these are the coordinates of midpoint. And on your diagram, if I represent it, so the midpoint is this point, it's 4, 9. Now I need to find out the gradient of AB. The working formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So the coordinates of y2 is 11 minus 7 divided by x2 minus x1. So 11 minus 7, it's 4 and 5 minus 3 is 2. So gradient of AB is 2. Now we need to apply the condition of perpendicular, that is m1 multiplied by m2 equals to minus 1. The gradient we have is 2. For perpendicular line, the gradient m2 is unknown, is minus 1. So the value of gradient 2 is minus 1 upon 2. That is the gradient of perpendicular line that we are looking for. Now the working formula to find out the equation of line is y equals to mx plus c. Here c is unknown first, right? C is unknown. For x and y, we have the point of midpoint, so y is 9 equals to gradient is minus 1 upon 2, x is 4 and c is unknown. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 9 equals to minus 2 plus c, or you can say that c equals to 9 plus 2, it's 11. Alright, now the final step to find out the equation of line, again we need to apply y equals to mx plus c. But this time we need to substitute the values of m and c. So now it will be y equals to, m is what? M is minus 1 upon 2x plus c is 11. That is the equation of perpendicular bisector.